Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about how to find the net ionic equation in a single replacement reaction. And now, net ionic equation again is the only equation that shows the reaction occurring, and we need to find spectator ions. However, spectator ions for single replacement reactions are a little bit different, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So first we have all of our equations from the previous example. Let me see if I have enough space. I think I do. All right, we have 2NaCl plus F2 aqueous gas makes 2NaF aqueous plus Cl2 gas. And now first and foremost, it's the same exact rule. We're going to split all the aqueous. 2Na plus 2Cl minus, both aqueous, plus F2 gas, which you do not split, makes 2Na plus aqueous plus 2F minus aqueous plus Cl2 gas. Alright, now here's the rule for spectator ions in a single replacement. You cross out everything that is exactly the same with the same coefficient and the same charge. Alright, so let's take a look. Na2 plus on the left side, is there the same exact thing with the same charge and same coefficient on the right side? 2Na plus, and there is indeed 2Na plus on the other side as well. So both of these will get crossed out. 2Cl minus, is there a 2Cl minus on this side? There is no 2Cl minus on this side. So we're going to keep this. F2, is there an F2 on this side? We have a 2F, but that is different from F2 due to this charge. So we're not going to cross any of these out either. And that basically leaves us with 2Cl minus aqueous plus F2 gas yields 2F minus aqueous plus Cl2 gas. And that is our net ionic. Our second example, we have 2Cl aqueous. 2Cl aqueous. No, Al, sorry. aqueous plus 3Mg2 plus S plus 3Mg, we don't write 2 plus S, we will later though, plus 3Mg aqueous plus, yields 3Mg aqueous plus Al2 solid. Again, split all the aqueous. 2Al plus 2I3 minus plus 3Mg solid yields 3Mg plus, actually no, instead of writing the 2I, this is basically 6I minuses, right? It's the same thing. And now this will be plus 6I minus, oh, I forgot to write all the aqueous plus Al2 solid. All right, let's see. Do you have Al2 plus on this side? We do not. Do we have 6I? Yes, we do. So when you see this, you're going to multiply these two together because it's going to be the same amount of I minuses. We have 3Mg, but we have a 3Mg1 plus on this side. All right, so since this Mg is by itself, it will have no charge. Whereas this Mg, all right, let's see that again. So first, this Mg is by itself, so it will have no charge. However, this Mg is bonded with I2, so it will have a charge of 1 plus, and that makes the difference over here, which is why we do not cross these two Mg out. All right, since this one doesn't have a charge. So this will be Al2, 2Al plus aqueous, plus 3Mgs yields 3Mg plus aqueous plus Al2 solid. Alright, now we're going to do our last example, and that is 2Al3 plus 2Al3 plus, actually we would rather chart right now, 2Al plus 3H2SO4 aqueous plus AlSO4 3 plus 3H2. Alright, got it. Plus 3HO4, this is solid. This is aqueous. Yields Al2SO4 3 aqueous plus 3H2 gas. Again, step 1 is to separate the whole thing out. Plus 3H2. We can say 6H pluses instead of 3. 6H pluses plus 3 SO4, and we cannot do the same for SO4 because SO4 is a polyatomic ion. Yields Al2. Each of these has plus, so it's gonna be 2Al pluses plus 3 SO4 minuses. Both of these aqueous, and so are these two, and plus 6H plus. Alright, no, 6H, no plus. Alright, again, anything by itself not being bonded have no charge. It will only have charge when it's bonded with something else, and only if both of them are bonded with something else will you cross them out. So we have a 6H plus, we have Al2 over here. There's no Al2 plus on the other side. There is no 2Al on this side. There's only 2Al plus. So we're gonna keep this one. Oops, deleted something extra, but that's alright. You know the original problem. Alright, and then we're only gonna be looking at the 6H plus. There's no 6H plus. 3O4 minus. There is a 3O4 minus, so we're gonna cross these two out. 2ALS plus 6. Let's write it back to what it originally was. Plus 3H2 aqueous yields 2Al plus aqueous plus 3H2 gas. Alright, and now a couple things to remember again. First of all, elements by itself have no charge, and you only cross out the same exact elements you only cross the exact elements that have the same coefficient and the same charge as well. And if you do something like 6H, make sure you turn it back into what it was in the original problem when you're writing it back down here. And that's it for net ionic equations for single replacement. Thank you for watching.